Today we are going to learn the equation reducible to pair of linear equation in two variable. आज आपण दोन चलात रूपांतर करण्यायोग्य समीकरणांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. And to find the solution of given equation. First, you understand how to reduce the equation in a given two linear equation in two variable. Initially given equation is not linear equation, but it reducible. Then we get linear equation in two variable. Equation reducible to pair of linear equation in two variable. First to observe, first equation 3 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8. First equation, this, how many variable in this equation? It is a two variable x and y. Second question is it a linear equation in two variable? Yes or no? No, because it is not linear equation, because the denominator variable is a denominator in this equation. When 3 upon x minus 4 upon y, we can write 3x raised to minus 1 minus 4y raised to minus 1 is equal to 8. The degree of variable x and y are not 1. It is negative integers. Therefore, this equation is not linear equation in two variable, but it is reducible to pair of linear equation. How to reduce? Put 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b in this equation. We have to consider 1 upon x replaced by a, 1 upon. Therefore, we get 3a minus 4b is equal to 8. In this equation, there are two variables a and b. Therefore, 3a minus 4b is equal to a. How many variables in this equation? There are two variables a and b. Is it a linear equation in two variables? Yes, 3a minus 4b is equal to 8. This is a linear equation in two variables because two variables and degree is a 1. Therefore, 3 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8. This equation reducible to a pair of linear equation 3a minus 4b is equal to 8. Second equation 14 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is equal to 5. Is it a linear equation in two variable? No, it is not linear equation in two variable. At denominator contain two variable of every terms. But this equation reducible to pair of linear equation by some substitutions. Therefore, we have to consider 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. Therefore, this equation we can write this 14 multiply 1 upon x plus y plus 3 multiply 1 upon x minus y is equal to 5. 1 upon x plus y replaced by a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. We have to consider it. Therefore, 14 multiply a plus 3 multiply b is equal to 5. Therefore, then we get 14a plus 3b is equal to 5. This equation is linear equation in two variable. In this way, given equation reducible to pair of linear equation in two variable. Equation number 3, 6 upon x minus 1 plus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 0. Given equation is not linear equation in two variable, but it is equation reducible to pair of linear equation by some substitutions. Let we have to consider 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 upon 1 minus 2 is equal to b. Therefore, the given equation rewrite 6 multiply 1 upon x minus 1 plus 3 multiply 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to b. 6 multiply a plus 3 multiply b is equal to 0. Therefore, 6a plus 3b is equal to 0. This is a linear equation in two variable. Solve the following simultaneous equation. Everyone understand this equation, how to solve. First equation, solve the following simultaneous equation. 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 7. And second equation, 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. First, we have to consider the 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Here, given equation 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 7. This equation we can write 4 multiply 1 upon x plus 5 multiply 1 upon y is equal to 7. 4 multiply a plus 5 multiply b is equal to 7. Therefore, we get equation 4a plus 5b is equal to 7. Second equation, 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. Here substitute the value 1 upon x is equal to a, 1 upon y is equal to b. Therefore, then we get 3 multiply a plus 4 multiply b is equal to 5. Therefore, equation 3a plus 4b is equal to 5. We get equation number 2. Equation 1 and equation 2 are simultaneous equation. By using equating method or by using substitution method, by using Cramer's rule to solve these two equations, any one methods. Here, by using equating method, equating coefficient of b. In a first equation, coefficient of b is a 5. In equation second, coefficient of b is a 4. When equating coefficient of b, equation 1 multiple by 4. Therefore, 4 multiply 4a plus 5b is equal to 7. 4 multiply each and every term in this bracket. 4 multiply 4a is equal to 16a. 4 5s are 20b is equal to 4 7s are 28. Therefore, 16a plus 20b is equal to 28. We get equation number 3. And equation 2 multiple by 5. Therefore, 5 multiply in bracket 3a plus 4b is equal to 5. 5 3s are 15a plus 5 4s are 20b is equal to 5 5 25. We get equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4, the coefficient of b is the same, having same sign. Therefore, subtracting equation 3 and 4. समीकरण 3 आणि 4 मध्ये b चा सहगुणक समान आहे, चिन्ह सारखी आहेत, म्हणून समीकरण 3 व 4 ची वजाबाकी करून 16a plus 20b is equal to 28, equation number 3, and equation number 4 is a 15a plus 20b is equal to 25. Subtract equation 3 and 4, therefore minus 15a multiply minus to 20b is a minus plus minus, then minus plus minus. Therefore, 6 plus 20b minus 20b we get 0. 16a minus 15a is equal to a, and 28 minus 25 is equal to 3. Therefore, we get the value of a is equal to 3. Substitute the value of a is equal to 3 in equation 1 or 2. Here, substitute the value of a is equal to 3 in equation 1. a ची किंमत 3 आहे, ती समीकरण 1 मध्ये ठेवू. 4a plus 5b is equal to 7. This is equation number 1. A replaced by the value 3. 4 multiply 3 plus 5b is equal to 7. Therefore 4 is 12 plus 5b is equal to 7. 12 goes down RHS side, then we get minus. Therefore 5b is equal to 7 minus 12. Therefore 5b is equal to minus 5. 5 multiplied to b goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore b is equal to minus 5 upon 5. 5 get cancelled. Therefore b is equal to minus 1. Hence we get, therefore a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 1. But resubstitute the value of a and b. Initially we have to consider 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. a आणि b साठी आपण जे सबस्टिट्यूट केलेलं आहे सुरुवातीला 1 upon x आणि 1 upon y, ते रिसबस्टिट्यूट करा, पुन्हा ठेवा. Therefore 1 upon x is equal to a. 1 upon x is equal to the value of a is equal to 3. Here is a cross multiplication. 3 upon 1, 3x multiplied to 3, 3x is equal to 1 into 1 is a 1. 3x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 3. This is the value of x. Similarly, resubstitute the value of b. 1 upon y is equal to b. The value of b is equal to minus 1. Therefore 1 upon y is equal to minus 1. Here cross multiplication, then we get minus y is equal to 1. Hence y is equal to minus 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 3 and y is equal to minus 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Solve the following simultaneous equation. Second equation is 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. And 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Let we have to consider 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to b. Observe both equation contain at denominator the same part, x minus 1, y minus 2. Therefore 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to b. Hence given equation 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. We can write this equation 5 multiply 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. Then we get equation first 5a plus b is equal to 2. We get equation number 1. Similarly, from equation 2, 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Here 6 multiply 1 upon x minus 1 minus 3 multiply y minus 2 is equal to 1. Substitute the value. Then we get 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. We get equation number 2. Observe the equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and 2 are simultaneous equation. And observe the coefficient of a and b in both equation. In equation 1, coefficient of b is a plus 1. In equation 2, coefficient of b is a minus 3. Equating the coefficient of b. When equation 1 multiple by 3, then we get equating coefficient b. समीकरण 1 आणि 2 मधील b चा सहगुणकाचे निरीक्षण करा. समीकरण 1 मध्ये b चा सहगुणक +1 आहे. समीकरण 2 मध्ये b चा सहगुणक -3 आहे. मग समीकरण 1 ला जर आपण 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर b चा सहगुणक समान होतो. म्हणून इक्वेशन 1 मल्टिपल बाय 3. 3 multiply 5a plus b is equal to 2. 3 multiply 5, 15a plus 3 into b is a 3b is equal to 3 to the 6. 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. We get equation number 3. From equation 2 and 3, observe the coefficient of b having same coefficient, having same opposite sign. Therefore, adding equation 2 and 3. Adding equation 3, 2 and 3. Therefore, 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Add these two equation. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. 15a plus 6a is equal to 21a is equal to 6 plus 1 is a 7. 21 multiply a is equal to 7. Therefore, 21 goes down RHS side, then we get divide. A is equal to 7 upon 21. 7 3s are 21. Therefore, a is equal to 1 upon 3. Substitute the value of a is equal to 1 upon 3 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 5a plus b is equal to 2. Therefore, 5 multiply 1 upon 3 plus b is equal to 2. A replaced by 1 upon 3. Here 5 multiply 1 upon 3, then you get 5 upon 3 plus b is equal to 2. 5 upon 3 goes down RHS side, then you get minus. Therefore, b is equal to 2 minus 5 upon 3. Here is a 2 upon 1, cross multiplication, 3 to the 6, minus 1 into 5 is a 5 upon 3 into 1 is a 3. 6 minus 5 upon 3 is equal to b is equal to 1 upon 3. Hence, we get a is equal to 1 upon 3 and b is equal to 1 upon 3. Resubstitute the value of a and b. Hence, 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a. The value of a is equal to 1 upon 3. 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. Here cross multiplication, x minus 1 multiply 1, x minus 1. 3 multiplied to 1 is equal to 3. X minus 1 is equal to 3. Minus 1 goes down RHS side, then you get plus. X is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Similarly, the value of b is equal to 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to b. The value of b is equal to 1 upon 3. Here cross multiplication is also y minus 2 is equal to 3. Minus 2 goes down RHS side, then we get plus. Therefore, y is equal to 3 plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Hence, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 is the solution of a given simultaneous equation. Today's homework. Solve the following simultaneous equation. First, 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 8. 4 upon x minus 2 upon y is equal to 2. And second one, 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 2 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Solve the given simultaneous equation. First, this equation reducible in linear equation in two variable, and to find the value of variable.